Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Happy Saturday to all of us. I just have to say thank you. Yesterday I didn't make live because it's Friday and I'm in the family of parents, family, aunt and cousins of madam. Okay, so I just got this one and the wish magkakaroon din ng additional subscriber. Hehe. No, I'm just say thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. And I have what's of that. Kumusta na nga naman pala bago ko makalimutan. Oo nga, no? Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Yusel. Happy birthday, Mads Yusel. Happy birthday, Garek. Happy birthday, anak kon Ethan. Happy birthday. Mga happy na lamang ta dito. Happy birthday, Ethan, ng mag-ina, ang kumari ko at ang anakon ko. Happy 15th birthday, Garek. Happy birthday. Yan ay si Mads, Principal, Ma'am Yosel Pat Kabisay Espinoza. Okay, sa hometown ko, sa isla ko talaga yan, childhood kumbaga pa. So happy birthday, happy birthday. O tingnan nyo, ayan yung kulambo ko. Pag hindi naman siya lagi kong hindi ko siya laging winawashing, hand wash only. O pag may free time, o mostly talaga pag mag-vacation, pag ako lang dito, kaya yun, sure na sure talaga yan meron. Kaya ganun yan. Pero pag mga basic and regular lang na nandito, may pasok lalo na yung alaga ko, na yun. One day. Minsan hindi ko pa yan mai-wash pag 1 month or more than a month. Okay? Now the weather is already warm. Hindi naman siya talagang full mainit na mainit, pero mahangin, maano na siya ng hangin. Kaya ayan yung kulambo ko nagsayaw-sayaw na, tapos yung mga dahon, early in the morning, gano'n na siya hanggang ngayon. Siguro ilang days na to, kasi papunta na rin to ng winter, mag-e-end na ang summertime. Okay, so that's all. And once again, thank you from the mga some vlogger that you are still helping and supporting in my channel, that what I have in the God's L Torelio vlog, that from I have 1 subscriber until now, supporters to support in my channel, what I mean, and to watching mga viewers that they are already, even you are only 1, 2 or more than until now, like how many you are. Thank you very much talaga. And that is already support in the different countries that they are belong in this world already, and different kind of people that they're already also watching. Thank you again, and good luck, and ingatan nyo, keep it safe, and be careful. The all in the highest blogger na, that you have your own highest standard na mga vlogger that you have. Kasi you are very lucky that you have already now. So ingatan nyo, keep safe that one, and continue. Good luck. Even the mga small vlogger, the beginning vlogger, baka lilipad na naman yung kulambo ko. Nag-flying, aroy, kulambo ko nag-flying away na. ay man. So, thank you not only us, kung hindi pati naman sa mga viewers, kasi walang mga vloggers na mga high standard, mga famous vlogger kung walang mga viewers at saka kung walang mga subscriber also na nagbilong sa different countries while we are still living in this earth. Okay, so thank you again. God bless us all and more blessings. Keep safe lagi, and including na yan sa lahat ng mga angkan ko, both side of my nanay and tatay also. That in my hometown, in the Philippines, and another countries that they are living also there, with their family na, in their work. And to my mga amo, to my madam, the family of my madam, the family of my sir, their friends, and mga friends ni Sisi, mga kaklasmate ni Sisi, ang mga nieces, ang brother, isa na lang yung only brother that what I have from our family. But all of them I have so much of brother and cousins and relatives. And sa angkan ng mga brad and sis. And to all of us, and to all of them, mga co-workers, mga OFW. Naku, siguro, ang hirap ng, it's very hard na to make counting by one by one, because more and more na talaga. Kaya generalize na lang yan, kumbaga pa, including na kasi yun. Hindi ko naman kayo nasabi, hindi ko naman kayo na but including na yun sa all people that we are living, kahit ako kasama na dyan, we're still living in this earth. Kaya yun na yun. At saka hindi man kita, we're not knowing and we're not seeing personalities in our life that we are belong in the different countries, but God knows everything, wherever you are, wherever we are, and God provide everything, whatever we need. Okay? So, bye-bye! Keep safe lagi! Bye-bye! Lumilipad-lipad na yung kulambo ko. Okay.